want a lot for Christmas.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl dipped in chocolate. So hey, hallelujah. So today is the day that your girl takes her vaccination. I'm not nervous. I'm not nervous, but I'm like, oh shit, I can't believe I'm going to take my vaccine today. So guys, you guys going to come with me to take my vaccination. Oh, can I ask somebody say take them vaccination and be vaccinated? So today I'll be taking the Pfizer vaccine at my school, Oberlin High. Yes, and I'm nervous, so I'm start preach. Nervous, and I'm nervous. Nobody joke me. Nobody joke me. I joke a lot. Hey guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See what souls may I get for Christ. 1 vaccination, 2 vaccination, 3 vaccination. Souls for Christ. So I'm outside that way upon sexy. Yeah.
2:30 p.m.
Then we get my broadcast.
Saturday, December 18th.
Today, no? Yeah.
You
You take a vaccine?
all our students. How will you get there?
Eh?
Will be provided.
Student? No man, everybody. Alright, me I got it now. So here them my broadcast it guys. So me just have one and me I go walk go up you know. Yes, so wish me luck. Okay guys, I just got a blue juice from over juicy and I go down to the school, go take my temperature and all them nice things there. Yeah, you student council representative from them vaccine. Morning. You're in a vlog. You're in there.
There's washing up and down there. You come here and talk. I'm just out there, so don't put me
You're in there. Okay guys, so there's an ambulance here from Minister of Health, Minister of Education. Persons are filling the parking space, you know, so a good amount of people devote already. So we're just going to wash our hands at the washing station. The sanitization station, yes. Nurses and all that sanitization station over there. So, watch Sarah coming on the video. Okay. Good morning, morning, sir.
You're going up that side, alright?
That side? Okay, good morning. So guys, I'm just saying we for just go sit down. So basically that me do. May I sit down? Wait for them to call me. Okay, so them line up to go into the auditorium to take. So in the auditorium is where you get vaccinated. So you're lined up to go in the auditorium. This guy says a bunch of persons just going a while ago. So yeah.
Alright, so children, all of you are over 12, between 12 and 17.
18, I'm 18.
You can't get Pfizer to 18. It's 12 to 17. Alright, so you have to get Astra. Alright?
Okay.
Besides of the injury or the injection, that's normal and that will go away. Okay? If the pain is bad or the itching is bad, you can take DPH or Panadol. And it's Panadol 2 tablets every 4 to 6 hours. Tomorrow is when you may have most of the side effects. So if you have a headache or if you feel extra tired or if you have pain in your joints or your back, that's related to the vaccine and that's considered normal. You may not have any of those things and that's normal. Okay? Everybody had breakfast this morning or had something to eat?
Yeah.
Say yes? No? You have to eat something. You have to eat something. It's recommended. Especially if you're going to take AstraZeneca, it's recommended that you eat something. Right? What else? If after 3 days you're still feeling not so great post-vaccine, you can go to one of the health centers for a checkup to see if everything is okay. Okay? So they're going to call you over now. The forms are over there. Someone is there to help you fill it out. And then the nurse will administer the vaccine and you will have to be observed for 15 minutes and then you're free to go. Alright? Good stuff? Okay.
So guys, there are more persons coming. There was transportation buses available for students of Oberlin High School and for their parents. So this is one of the bus, that is the school bus who brought most of the persons today. But from Eno, we did take public transportation. Oh, so I'm going to walk, go down there, take the vaccine, guys. Ow! Boy, I'm not nervous. I just see needle. When I see needle problem, I know what I'm fear fact.
Space in there. Oh, that's space in there.
Hello.
So there's a great.
Oh my god. I'm nervous. Me not look it up, me not look. Jesus Christ. Me not want to see it, you know. I wish I never would have,
On this arm. One. That's it.
Oh, Jesus.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hold on there.
The cotton.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm waiting on my 15 minutes of observation. Like, I'm going to observe me for 15 minutes to see. Oh, shoot, man. Me on a tremble. Oh, shoot, man. Oh, my God.
First, let me see one thing. I'm asking the declaration for 50 years. And you don't mix up the vaccine and tell me the Zambia says?
Hey, Zambia selfie. No, this is not a take vaccine. How do you feel? How you feel? How you feel?
Everybody have expecting and I say, is that hot or not? It's not.
So when you say not? You not? Me I go now. Okay guys, I just got vaccinated. I don't feel no way. I'm gonna take the Panadol even though I don't feel no way after I just done taking.
Yeah.
I don't feel no way. Even though I don't feel any way, I'm still going to take the Panadol and yeah guys, I'm gone. I'm vaccinated, I'm holy and righteous now. Because that's what they behave like vaccinated persons. And them alone I got heaven. So I got heaven. Now. Ta-ta-ta-ta. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. That's most of the video that might come out. Alright, that's all. Sometimes January 8th before me get my second dose. Me show them the slip what them give me. Leave it with my sister. Because I go bum business. Carry on her. So yeah. Bye. Thank you for watching. No. They're in there.